Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today, well, I was actually playing this game already, but I forgot to but then I just had an idea. Maybe it's good if I just have a make a video of me playing this game. So right now we are playing this game, and yeah, it's part 2. Now, if you guys didn't see part 1, press the like button, subscribe, and then you can see part 2. I mean part 1. I meant to say part 1, not part 2. Ouch.
Y sé que las hay, porque es que los hay. Hay compañías que uno dice que
Alright, let's get on the helicopter. Alright, so let's go up. I know my voice is low, but I don't really feel good. Are they even there? Oh, yep, they are. Yeah, they are. Boom. Alright, let's get on the helicopter and let's fly out. Woo! Yeah. What? How did the helicopter not explode? Okay, right now, let's just get all of that right there on the floor. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be really fun, guys. It's been 3 minutes already. Wow, time just went fast. Let's get in the car. Oh gosh. Alright, if you can't hear me, then you should turn up the volume of your device. And it's the truth. I'm pretty sure you might not hear me. Oh my god, no. Whoa. Oops. No. And I'm stuck. Move it. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh no. Get off the car. I don't believe that. I don't really believe that because that doesn't look cool. I don't believe that. Extend battery saver. Yeah, but I had that in my old phone before, and trust me, you do not want that. Because that's just going to send you so much notifications. So many notifications that you're just going to be like, you know what, Geronimo was right. I really need to kick this app out. So yeah, don't delete it, please. Don't. Hey, where are you going, boy? I need your car, and I kick it. But you don't let me see it. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, drive. Drive the car. Get off the car. Get off the motorcycle. Ooh. Okay, so we are here, and we're right here, and we're riding our bicycle. Why is it freezing? It wasn't freezing last time, and now it's freezing. What? That's insane. What? Oh, that car looks good. Looks good. Car looks nice for a go. Yep, that car looks nice for a boy. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing with that car? You ain't gonna do what I think you're about to do. What? Oh my God, I'm not even gonna make it if I'm gonna try to do that. Okay. Get in the... What? Yeah, get out of the car. Yeah, drive. What? No, he can shoot me from where he is. All right. Wait a minute. Look at the car. Look at inside the car behind the window. You can see me. You can see something red. That's me. No, you don't. Oh yeah, you. Ooh, man, I have red dudes trying to kill me. Well, chase me. Make that to chase me. Whoa, wait. I'm behind the seat. You can see me from behind. But if you look what's in front, you will just see my hands. That's all. Let's move it, dude. Move it. I need to get out of here. I need a secret hiding place. I'm pretty sure the cops won't even find me. No! No, he found me. The cops found me. No, I'm under arrest. Try to catch me, but I won't let you catch me. Oh no, they're right there. What? No. And no. Darn. No. I better run. They're gonna kill me. Oh no, they're chasing me. They are seriously chasing me. My gosh, except I have two guys chasing me. Oh, hey, look who it is right there. Boom. I'm out. Oh no, I'm gonna get shot. Holy cow, what in the name? Wow. Okay, whoa, that was close. That was real close. Alright, well, I guess that's everything for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And I hope see you next time. Peace.